Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. Am I audible to all of you? Dear students, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here we will discuss MCQ from chapter 9. So I think there are only 13 students connected with us from the section BS1 and BS2. What about others? Anyone, please give me update what you are doing right now. In the last class, what you have done.
Last class we were doing exercise 8.3, sir.
8.3. Okay,
Yes, sir.
8.3 means trigonometry, finding the angle from different quadrant. So
Sir, we
inshallah,
were doing 9.2.
9.2 already done. I think so. Now your upcoming exam is MCQ basic exam. Inshallah, I will practice a few MCQ from chapter 9, exponential and logarithm functions. So dear students, I think now around 50 students connected with us. Okay, let's see the topic. Is this board is visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please be prepared with your classwork copy and pen and pencil. So you have to do MCQ and I will provide you question, and then in 1 or 2 minutes you will get the time. Then you have to say what is your answer. Then I will discuss how we can do this maths. So dear students, let's start. This is the first question, please. I think you can see the question. This question is from Dhaka Board 2019. So please write in the comment section what is your answer if you get quickly. And each and every one you have to do this math in your classwork copy, how you have done this answer. Question number 1. What is the domain of the function f of x? Absolute value of x divided by x minus 3. Do not say directly answer in the comment section. You can write answer, or if you complete, you can raise your hand. Did you complete, guys? Is there anyone who have done? Asmine, your answer already. I have received your answer. Okay, let me review others' answer. Now, one student have done this one. Asmine, BS1 402. So you all are requested to turn on your camera. Everyone, please. Solution is 2. Your answer is she. Okay, Farhan, I have received your answer. So only 2 students have done this math. What about others, please? Farhan Zarif, your answer is 3. Okay, let me review. There are only 2 students have done. Soeb bin Nizams, Rajok Chaudhuri, Imtiaz Ahmed. What about you others? Please turn on your camera. So, okay, inshallah, we will do this maths here. First, here information is given. What is the domain of the function f of x? First of all, we see here the function given in fraction form. So in types of fractions form, there one case we have to memorize denominator. This denominator cannot be 0. So that means domain of f of x. F of x is equals to, or we can write dom of f simply here f of x is equals to absolute value of x divided by x minus 3 is the belongs to R or is elements of R if and only if x minus 3 cannot be 0. x minus 3, the domain part cannot be 0. So x is equals to x is not equals to 3. That means all value are acceptable except 3. So we can write here domain is equals to x is a elements of R, x is a elements of R, or simply first write x is a elements of R, x is a elements of R, and x is not equals to 3. That means the all value are acceptable except 3. Is it clear to all of you, my dear students? Number one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think you should write the side note here. And these types of MCQ, the question you have to answer in the creative part number A for the 2 marks. Okay, now be prepared for the next question. So I think you can see the question. Question number 2. What is the value of, here, what is the value of log 4 base root over 8? What is the value of log 4 base root over 8? Each and every one, my request to all of you, please try to answer this question. And these questions directly from the board question, so no doubt about the question quality. So Farhan Zarif said, your answer, I have received your answer. Okay, Baba, thank you so much. Let me review your answer. Farhan Zarif, your answer is done. And I think, yes, maximum students, you are writing now answer. Thank you, Shurojit, thank you so much. I have received your answer. Rajok, your answer is also same answer you are doing. Okay, thank you so much. Maximum students already you are trying. 5 students have done. Okay, let me review this one. Okay, I think you have tried. That means your answer is, maximum students said your answer is 4/3. Okay, let me review this question. What is the value of log base 8 base log root over log 4 base root over 8? So here easily we can start this math considering this one as x. So question number 2 answer, we can start with the, let this one equals to at. Now we know the formula root over x root over 8 to the power x is equals to 4. Root over 8 to the power x is equals to 4. Or here we can write 8 to the power x by 2 is equals to 4. So now do calculation here. 2 to the power 3 means 8. Then x by 2 is equals to 2 to the power 2. We are doing here the same base on the both case. So now there will be, this one is 2 to the power 3x divided by 2 equals to 2 to the power 2. When the base are the same, we can write here their power by index 3x 2 is equals to 2, or doing the cross multiply 3x equals to 4, or simply x equals to 4/3. So x means the result of this one, which is 4/3, and this is our answer 4/3. Please take the screenshot, and these types of questions also you can answer in the question number 8 in the creative part. Is it clear to you all now? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can we move the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the question number. Next question here. So same format questions, almost related to the general mathematics. Question number 3. This questions from Rajshahi Board 2019. Everyone, and you have to do maths in your classwork copy, then write the answer. I have received one message. Rajuk, your answer is Rajok Chaudhary. I have received your answer. Okay. Thank you so much. Just I'm giving time to get more answer. And Shurojit also. Shurojit, your answer is also, I have received your answer. Thank you so much. Tanjim, BS2 Baba, what about you? Do hurry up. Dhruva, Imtiazur Rahman Dhruva, Jawad, Imtiaz Ahmed, Shahadat Hussain. Do hurry up. Tanzim. Okay, Baba, now try to answer. Only I have received two answer here. Okay. I think now maximum student have done. Okay, let me review. Here the question is cube root of a to the power 5. So question number 3, solution. Cube root of a to the power 5 is equals to 2 times of 6 root of a to the power 7. So if we do this maths here, we can write a to the power 5 by 3 and here 2 times of a to the power 7 by 6. Root means the fractions from. So now here the same base terms, so we can move here. Number 2, 7. Okay, first step right here. 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. Question number 3. Okay. Now, right here, first step. Here 2 and 2 is the times with a to the power 7 by 6. A to the power 7 by 6 and here this is a to the power 5 by 3. If we do cross multiplication, we will get the previous line. If we do the cross multiplication. So now in the right side, we see here the same base. So now we can take one base and 5 by 3, 5 by 3 minus 7 by 6. So now take the LCM. 2 equals to a to the power 6 is their LCM. This is 10 minus 7. So here 2 is equals to a to the power 3 by 6 and here 2 is equals to a to the power half, that means root over a. So here we can write root over a equal to 2 or doing the square on both sides, so a equals to 4. I think maximum student you have done correctly this math answer. A answer a equals to 4. Is it clear to you all, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can we move the next question? Okay, now see the next question. These types of questions are available in mathematics and higher mathematics too. This is questions from Dinaspur Board 2019. What is the domain of the function f of x? Root of square root of 3x minus 2. You all are requested to try heart and soul to answer these questions. Shoaib bin Nizam, Baba, what about you? Unmute yourself. Shoaib bin Nizam.
Yes, sir.
Are you doing this maths?
Yes, sir. Trying to do this math.
Sure, okay, carry on, Baba. Yes, I have received. Is greater than. One student have said greater than or equals to. Okay, I have received your answer. Farhan Zarif, thank you so much. Just I'm waiting for the number of students. Only one students have done this one. Yes, this is okay. I think Shurujit, I have received your answer from BS1. Thank you so much. Only 2 students have done. Hurry up, dear students. In the exam hall, you will get 1 minute's time. Okay, Baba, let me review. Yes, Azmine already you have done. Thank you. I have received your answer, Azmine, Tazoyar. Okay, let me review this one. First of all, domain function, these types of question you must have to answer in the exam hall. Number 4. Here given f of x is equals to root over 3x minus 2. First of all, we have to know what is the condition for the square root. If we get here any positive number, there will be, okay, no problem. We will get here numerical value. If we give here 0, also you will get here the result, which is also numerical value. If we put here any negative value, this one will be imaginary or complex. This is not related with our class 10 standard. But in higher class, we can write here I root over 2. But in class 10 standard, this is maths error in calculator, or here we can undefine or maths error. So their negative value cannot be stay in the square root, but the positive and 0 we can apply here. So from this condition we can write this is the elements of R if and only if 3x minus 2 must be positive, must be greater than 0 or also be equal 0. This is the condition for the square root. It may be positive, it may be 0, but not the negative. That's why we can write here two conditions together. 3x minus 2 is greater than or equal 0. So now do the result here. 3x is greater than or equal 0, or simply 3x is greater than or equal 2, or x is greater than or equal 2 by 3. So domain of the function, domain is equals to x belongs to R, and x must be greater than or equal 2 by 3. So now you can review your answer with me. And who have done correctly? Is there anyone who have done correctly this answer? Zarif, now you get the answer. Zarif Al Hassan.
Yes,
Okay. Did you got your mistake?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I think this is now very clear to all of you. Okay, let's see the next question. It's very easy and simple question. Each and every one you have to answer this question. This is questions from Select Board 2019. Question number 5. I want maximum student in this question. It's very easy and simple question. Farhan Zarif already done. Wow, maximum. Yes, thank you so much. Rajok Chaudhary, your answer is done. Thank you so much. Farhan, I have received your answer. What about others? Hurry up. Azmain, try to answer quickly. Azmain, your answer is also, I have received your answer. Thank you so much. Orin Jaman, what about you, Baba? Please try to answer. Jubair Hossain, are you trying to answer? Jubair?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do hurry up. Just I am getting only 2 or 3 students, those who are doing continuously. But what about others? Everyone, please try to answer. Imtiaz Rahman, Dhruva, what about you? Try to speak with me, Baba.
Ji, sir.
What about your condition? Are you doing this math right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to answer, Baba. Okay. I think already I have given you 2 minutes or 3 minutes gone. Okay, let's see this answer. If we do this math traditionally, yes, question number 5, solution. This is the question number 5. Here we can write 3 times of x whole square. 3 times. This is the 3 times of x whole square plus 3 times of and multiply with 3 times 3 cube then x, and this is the 4. Or if we do right here, 3 times of x whole square plus 3 multiply 3 times of x, 3 times of x cube, and minus 4 equal to 0. So if we consider here, this is a square plus 3a cube minus 4 is equals to 0. So I think now is the cubic format factorization is the leading degree is 3a cube plus a square minus 4 equal to 0. So easily I will show another method, but how you can answer this question in the creative part, just I am showing this answer, and there is another technique and you can do this one within a short time. So now do the factorization this one. If we apply the value of a equals to 1, then the total result will be 0. That means a minus 1 is one of the factor of this one. So now right here a minus 1 and a minus 1 3 times, because leading power is 3. The first term here 3a cube. So now take the common here 3a square. Now write here 3a cube. So multiply with the 3a square, but here only a square. So write here 4 times of a square. Then take here 4a common. Then here do the multiply 4 times of a. There is missing 4 times of a. So write the same and opposite 4 times of a. In the next part we see here a is the inside the bracket. So take here 4 common and this is minus 4. So I think now 3a cube minus 3a square plus 4a square minus 4a, then plus 4 equals to 3. So here we will get the common factors a minus 1, and another factors is 3a square plus 4a plus 4 equals to 4a plus 4 equals to 0. So if we compare here, either first one a minus 1 equal to 0, we will get here a equals to 1. So a means a 3 to the power x. A means 3 to the power x. So we can write here 1 means 3 to the power 0. That means x equal to 0. First condition we get here x equals to 0. The value of x is 0. But if we do middle term this one, like 3a square plus 4a plus 4 equal to 0. By using the quadratic equation a equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a, we will get here the complex root. So I think this is the acceptable value, which is x equal to 0. And so this is our answer, x equals to 0. So we can write now this is x equal to 0. Answer x equals to 0. Another method, from the option you can input the value. Suppose a is 1, b is 0, c is 2, and d is minus 1. So now you can apply the value of from the options. So this one will be, if we apply the value 0, what will be result? There will be 1. 3 times of 0 means 1. So here 3 multiply 27 to the power 0 means 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 4. Directly by applying value from the option, you can justify for which value of x left side and right side will be same. That's why the answer is 0. So without doing maths from the option, putting the value of x in the left side and right side, easily you can identify the value. Is it clear to you all? But in the CQ
Yes,
part,
sir.
in the CQ part, we have to answer in this format. So now let's see the next question. Question number 6. Very easy and simple question. Now try to answer question number 6. What is the domain f of x equal 1 by square root of twice x minus 1? So you all are requested to turn on your camera. Please everyone try to answer this question. So already we have done 2 maths from the domain and function. And just I want maximum number of students can do this maths. Do hurry up. Imtiaz Ahmed, BS2. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Baba, are you doing this math?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hurry up. Just I am waiting to get your answer. Hurry up.
Okay, sir.
So yes, I think greater. Yes, I have received your answer here. Farhan Jarif, I have received your answer. And this is Shurojit, I have received your answer. Thank you, Baba. Now next one. Asmain, I have received your answer. Just only the 3 guys, they are sending their answer. What about others? I'm receiving answer from Jarif, Shurojit, and Asmain. What about others? Yes, now, so I've been Nizam, your answer is x is greater than 1 by 2. Okay, let me review, Baba. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, let me review this answer. Okay, now, first of all, if we see the condition here, what is actually given here? Okay, now, in our mathematical calculation, we can test 1 by 0. Is it possible? Is it possible? Or
Undefined.
1 by something positive? Is it possible? 1 by something negative? Is it possible? Definitely we know this is the fraction format. So 1 by 0 isn't possible here. We have to choose those value where we will get positive or negative value, but not the 0. So this is first step. This is not possible. That means denominator part cannot be 0. But here in the denominator part, we see here the square root. That means negative number also not be acceptable. Inside the square root, negative number is not be acceptable. Due to fraction, 0 is not acceptable. Due to square root, negative number inside the fraction is not be acceptable. So only inside the root, positive number is acceptable. So here we can write now solution f of x is equals to 1 by square root of twice x minus 1 is elements of R if and only if twice x minus 1 must be greater than 0. It cannot be 0 due to fraction. It cannot be negative due to square root. So now from doing calculation, x is greater than 1 by 2, which is the domain. Domain is equals to x belongs to R, and x must be greater than half. So now, is it clear to all of you all, dear students? Did you understand? Yes, Shoaib, your answer is correct. Thank you so much. Yes, maximum student, you have done this math properly. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see the next question. Is it clear to you all, those who didn't do first?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, thank you so much, Baba. Now let's see the next questions. This is questions from your academic maths book. Please try to answer. Question number 7. This is the question number 7, and this questions from the Board 2017. We have remaining 5 minutes to hurry up. Dinascore Board 2017. Yes, maximum students you are doing already. I'm receiving answer. Thank you, sir. Which number question answer is C? Farhan Zarif, you are writing, sir. Answer is maybe C. Which question, Baba? Mention the question name. 502. Shurujit, your answer is A. Thank you so much. And Tanzim, you are doing right now. Your answer is A. Let me review. This is your first answer. Yes, 7C. Okay. Maximum students, just you are writing C. Only the Farhan, he said the answer is C. Yes, there is another student who is Shoaib. He said also answer is C. Oh, Tanzim says, sir, ageta hoyesilo. Thank you, sir. This is your second question. Okay, let me review. These types of questions easily, if we think, we have another question. So I'm right to first kore jai. Here a to the power x equal to b to the power y equal to c to the power z. Consider this one. This one is k. So directly a is k to the power 1 by x, b will be k to the power 1 by y, and c will be k to the power 1 by z. According to the question, a, b, c equal to 1. So now write here a, b, c equal to 1. What is the value of a? K to the power 1 by x, k to the power 1 by y, k to the power 1 by z equals to, we can write here k to the power 0 means 1. So k to the power 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z equals to k to the power 0. When the base are same, easily you can write here their initial form must be same. X by y plus y by z equal to 0. And this is the answer, and which is given in the option. Which is given in the option number C. C is the correct answer. Dear student, those who have said A, your answer is not correct. You can take the screenshot of the question. 7 question number correct answer is C. Is it clear to you all, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please, this questions from your academic textbook. So it's very, very important for creative part also. Okay, let's see the next and final questions. You will get only 2 minutes 24 seconds remaining. So please try to answer within this time. This is also questions from academic book. Yes, already you are doing this. 8 answers C. Someone saying, Farhan, your answer is C. And Shoaib, your answer is A. Okay, let me review. We have only 1 minute remaining. This is questions from exercise 12 and from your academic book, page number 215. Let me review here. A to the power x equal to b to the power y. So here we can write a equals to b to the power y by x, and again c to the power z equals to b to the power y. So we will c equals to b to the power y by z. And now another condition, b square equal to ac. Again b square equal to ac. So put here value b square. A means b to the power y by x. C means b to the power y by z. So here we can write b to the power 2 equals to b to the power y by x plus y by z. So according to the question requirement, if we see here, our 1 by x plus, okay, now base is the same on the both sides, so we can write here y by x is equals to y by z. According to the question requirement, here 1 by x plus 1 by z, so now we can write here 2 is equals to y common. This is 1 by x plus 1 by z. So dividing each side by y, here we will get 2 by y is equals to 1 by x plus 1 by z. So here our answer is according to the question Our answer is 2 by y. So this is questions from your academic book. Now let's see the next questions. This is questions from Dhaka Board 2017. One another important questions. Okay. Here do the simplification start. Log x, and here we can write 1 by c cube, and this is square root, and here minus c by 2. And so now we can write here x to the power minus c by 2 is equals to 1 by root of here 1 by c cube using the formula. So now if we do here, x to the power minus c by 2 is equals to 3 to the power minus c, and root means 1 by 2. So now here x to the power minus c by 2 is equals to 3 to the power 3 by 2. Definitely we can write here now x equals to 3 because their power is the same. So now this question answer, what is the value of x? So this question answer is 3. Now let's see the next question. This is done, and this questions from cube root of x is equals to this questions from Dhaka Board 2017. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, let's see the next question, Chittagong Board 2019. What is the value of this one? First of all, step by step we have to do this maths from the right side. This is the first, we have to do simplification, then this one, and finally we will include this cube root. So first step, if we do here, this is x to the power 36 divided by 3 for this cube root, and here x to the power 18 remaining. So now this root work is done. So, and you have to apply this one. So now this one remaining, and x to the power, there is a 2 inside the root, x to the power 7, and another one, this is 17 remaining. So now do the calculation inside the root. Here we will get this divided by this, we will get here total 12 plus 18, multiply there, add like x to the power 18 and x to the power 12. So here this is 2, x to the power 7, and cube root of this is 17. So now next step, if we do here, this one is x to the power total sum, when the base are the same, there is a 30. So now write here x to the power 30, this is x to the power 30, and this is the second root, so we can cube here, and now remaining x to the power 7. Now finally this is 7. So if we do calculation here, there will be 15. So now x to the power 7 multiply x to the power 15, then root over 17, and here 17, and then x to the power, there will be 22. So now doing the addition, so finally we get here x to the power 20. So this is now x to the power 22 divided by 17. So now what is the result of this one? That means answer x to the power 22 divided by 17, and this question answer x to the power 22 divided by 17. 22 divided by 17. So dear student, this is all about your chapter 9 exponential and logarithm. Inshallah, next class we will practice top 10 MCQ from chapter 8. Let's see the topic. Thank you so much. Hope to see you all in the next classes. Wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.